So we've now got full planning passed, which is great news and we're happy about. It took a little longer than we thought. It was actually a 3-month process in the end because we had to fill out a flood report, which then gave us like a flood zoning as well, which was something we weren't aware of, but we've got there in the end and we're happy now that we can just get started. With that news, we have actually started stripping out and we'll continue to do so over the next few days. So this morning we had ITV and also That's Cumbria. They came around the property, showed them round, and they were asking questions why they were interested in why I was using lime and for what reason. So I was more than happy to explain because it's local news as well, so hopefully people have seen that. They were very interested in the flood resilience side of things, and we're going to show images of the flooding and the detrimental effect of that, and I explained about the cycle of coming in and having to chip everything off and throw it in a skip, and the upheaval and your electrics and everything need changing, and this continuous cycle. And that I was explaining that I want to break that cycle, and by using the lime on the ground floor especially and raising the electrics and the plumbing, those things should stop, and it'd be a case of once the water has disappeared again, the walls have a chance to breathe and dry out, the floor will be swept out and cleaned off obviously, but then it can dry out naturally and there's no need to keep chipping off and throwing away. So hopefully I got my point across there, but we'll see later on when it comes on the news.